With the latest updates to the copiers on campus, I wanted to show you some of the features that you may find helpful, specifically scanning to email and scanning to Google Drive. After logging into the copier, tap the scan button. Now, let's tap the Scan to My Email button. This is going to start the process of composing an email that will only be sent to you, the person logged into the system, and it's going to build an attachment that'll be emailed to you. So here we have the ability to change the subject of the email and the file name of the attachment. If you need to alter the settings in any way, tap the Settings button. You'll notice that by default, the settings show it will scan one-sided, meaning it will only scan the top side of a document. If you have a two-sided document that needs to be scanned, you'll need to change the setting to two-sided. By default, the settings also show it will have a resolution of 300 dpi, which is an indication of the quality of the scan. 300 dpi is perfectly acceptable if you're looking to make a basic scan of a document. However, if you're ultimately looking to project your scan in class or make an image bigger in any way, you'll want to increase the DPI resolution of your scan to 400 or 600. Once you're ready, go ahead and tap Start, and the documents will scan and you'll find a PDF waiting in your email inbox. The scanning to Google Drive option works the same way the scan to email option does, with the obvious difference that your scan will be sent to Google Drive. The first time you do this, you'll need to allow the copier permission to place the scan into Google Drive. Once I've selected the Scan to Google Drive option, I can change the file name and settings just like I did when scanning to my email. When ready, press Start. Now go to your inbox and find the email from Scans for Papercut with the subject line Authorize Scans. Inside the email, you'll find a green box directing you to your Google Drive. Click the box. Choose your account. Click Allow to give the copier permission, and you'll be set. Now, inside Google Drive, you'll find a folder titled Scans for Papercut MF, and this is where your scans will land. Now that your scan is in Google Drive, you can move it to another folder and organize it as you need. You'll only need to do this process once. Every other time you scan, and from any copier you use on campus, your scans will automatically land in Google Drive. Of the two scanning options, it's a much safer bet to scan to Google Drive. The reason for this is that, depending on the settings you select, file sizes can vary wildly from the same scanning job. And if you create a large file and try to email it, many email services will block large attachment files. Unfortunately, the scanner will not indicate that an emailed scan job was unsuccessful. You will receive an email telling you the scan failed to send because it was too large, but you'll have to check your inbox for that message. So, whether you're trying to email a scan to yourself or someone else, be aware that large attachments tend to be blocked by the recipient's mail settings. All of that to say, scanning to your Google Drive is a much safer bet when you're scanning a document. Plus, after it's in Google Drive, you can organize it into a folder and share a link to the file with parents or colleagues. If you have any questions about this or any other technological need, please reach out to a member of the technology team.